How to create Crunchyroll account on mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Crunchyroll, as well as I'm going to show you how you can confirm your Crunchyroll account so that you can start watching anime. So let's begin the tutorial. First of all, you need to download Crunchyroll app on your smartphone. So whether you are using an Android or iPhone, the process will be pretty much same. So once you download it and install Crunchyroll on your smartphone, open Crunchyroll. And as you have to create an account, click on create account at the bottom. Now here you can whether use your phone number or email. Here I'm gonna select on email. So now in this page, enter your email address. And then under that, create password for your Crunchyroll account. After entering your email or phone number and creating your password, click on create account. Now here it will ask you to subscribe with free trial, but you can do it later. So for now, let's click on skip for now. And here it is. This is how home of your Crunchyroll account will look like. Now here at the top, as you can read, click the link we just sent and you are all done. So guys, to confirm your Crunchyroll account, you will need to check your email inbox where you will receive a confirmation mail from Crunchyroll. So let me check the Gmail app. And there it is. Please confirm your account. Confirm your Crunchyroll account. Thanks for signing up for an account on Crunchyroll. To start watching, please confirm your email address below so we know you are you. Now guys, to confirm your email address on your Crunchyroll account, here click on confirm email address and then open with any browser. And there it is. Thank you. My email address with my Crunchyroll account has been confirmed. And guys, that's how you can sign up and confirm your Crunchyroll account so that you can start watching anime. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to change the email address of your Crunchyroll account, then watch this video and I will see you there.